What's up, YouTube? Today we're diving back into one of my favorite builds, this fully custom GameCube. And it's not just any GameCube, this is my personal GameCube that I play all the time. She's got it all: fresh purple shell, PicoBoot mod, glowing controller ports, even a custom jewel on top. This thing is clean. Except for this ugly stock Game Boy player here on the bottom. It just doesn't match. It looks like it came from another console entirely, and if we're being honest, it really did. So today we're fixing that. We're going to mod this Game Boy player to finally match the rest of the build and give this GameCube the unified custom finish it deserves. Let's get to work. All right, let's get this thing open. The Game Boy player, it's just held together with those the special Nintendo bit. So once we get it off here, and we get the GameCube out of the way, should be able to get this thing open pretty quick. Hey guys, this is Rich from the future. I realized when I was editing this that I didn't mention that if you want to see how we modded this GameCube, it's the same mod that I did on the Orange Spice GameCube a few weeks ago. So check out that video. I'll put it right up here. And it goes through everything doing as far as the Pico mod and everything like that. If you've got any other questions about this mod, hit me up. Let me know. Drop a comment and I'll let you know where I picked up everything, where I sourced everything, whatever you need to know. So thanks. All right, let's get back to it. And now for the fun part. Here is our replacement shell. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna look nice. So nice. Okay, so we are going to need the hardware. Let me get out here. We're going to need this hardware from the original player. The eject button is already installed, but it looks like there's no spring, so we're going to salvage the spring from this one as well. Definitely easier to go on the arm first. Yeah, definitely easier to go on the arm first. Would it even be a video if the camel hair brush didn't make an appearance? All right, once we got the spring in and we salvage our hardware from our original player, we can start putting everything back together. All right, so none of these need to be too tight. Remember, it's new plastic that we're going into, so we don't want to mess up any of that. There's a couple of holes that actually need to be left empty to attach the top plate on, and that's these here. But yeah, that's about it. I think we're good to go. Right, there it is. I might end up getting a Game Boy player sticker for it eventually, but for now it's fine. Since I have everything taken apart, one thing that I wanted to do, basically ever since I've done this mod, is convert the SD card adapter from this style to this style. So this style basically has a smaller board that attaches, and it basically sets an offset so that you can access the SD card from the side when you have the Game Boy player installed on top of it. Cost a few more bucks, but I think it's totally worth it. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. It slides right in, just like so. And then with that, go ahead and install the player. All right, and there it is. The form factor is really clean. They did a good job with these shells. The color match is really good. I'm pretty sure it's the same brand as the shell that I got back in the day. It just goes together so well. It absolutely pops. You know, if I was gonna spend some more time on this, I might try putting some LEDs down here. There's plenty of room in here to do some pretty interesting things. Might be worth checking out one day. But in any case, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys hanging out. We just hit 500 subscribers. I'm super stoked. It's pretty awesome. I'm glad the channel's taking off. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. If there's anything you'd like to see or any mods you'd like to see me tackle, leave me a comment. Let me know. But yeah, everyone that's here and everyone that's subscribed, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here and being a part of this journey. I appreciate it. You guys have a great week. We'll see you in the next one.